Today we will see how can we remove this logo and place this logo here. First we need to select the logo we want to remove. Go to edit, fill, select content aware, press OK. Our logo removed. Then go to the logo we want to place, Ctrl A, Ctrl C for copy, then place your logo here. It's too big. I will resize the logo. I want to place this logo here. Okay, it's not look realistic, so we will go to the layer plate and from the layer mode select multiply. That's it. We place another logo to our t-shirt. Okay, that's it. Hello guys, today we will see how can we make this image as a color halftone. For doing that, first open the image, go to image menu, adjustment, from there desaturate your image. Okay, now our image is desaturated. Now go to filter, pixelate, from there select color halftone, then maximum radius will be 12 and channel 1 will be 22, channel 2 will be 22, 22, 22. Then press OK. See, our image is now as color halftone. Okay, that's it. Today we will see how can we change this woman's hair color. To do that, first we need to make a selection around the hair. We will do that with the help of quick selection tool. Now go to select and mask. I will mask the hair. Okay, now press OK. We have make a mask around the hair. Press OK. Then I will clip this gradient layer to the selection or marks I have made. Okay. Then I will go to the color. Okay. That's it. We have changed our hair color. Now we can change whatever color we want. We will make this yellow. Our hair is now yellow. That's it. Hello guys. Today we will see how can we make this around of this. We will use this label. For doing that, first we will select the bottle, press Ctrl J. Now we will take the label and place that on this photo. Okay, we have placed the label, but it's not look natural, right? So we will go to the layer plate and place the label layer under the bottle layer that we have duplicate from the main layer. Now we will decrease the opacity like around 41% or 40%. You can adjust the opacity according to your choice. Whatever looks right, just keep it. Okay, that's it. Today we will see how can we make this type of text effect in Photoshop. First make a selection around the girl. Now I will invert the selection by pressing Ctrl Shift I. Now go to select, modify, then expand. I will write here 150. Press OK. Now again go to select, modify, smooth. Now I also write 150. OK. Now right click, select, make warp path, tolerance will be 5. Press OK. We have created our path. Now select the text tool and click on the path and write your text. Okay, that's it. Now you can change the color whatever you want. Okay, that's it.